That's also what I heard.
What about the guys that went the other way?
Eh?
What about the guys that went the other way?
Yeah. Well, can't stop them all.
Pull back up.
Imagine your wife has come fetch you because you've been driving recklessly and fast.
If they even have one.
Makes you wonder why did that group of riders stop here? But they obviously didn't realize there was a cop. Why is he looking at me?
Welcome to the Smarties Moto channel, and today we're taking a nice scenic ride along Clarence Drive, starting at Gordon's Bay, heading towards Rooi-Els. It's been a few months since my last upload, but I'm definitely hoping to record some more rides as we enter our sunny summer season in South Africa. It's the first time riding along this route and recording the footage as we traverse the pass. At this point on the ride, I'm only a few minutes in, and already I start to think to myself, wow, we truly are blessed. I mean, just look at these ocean views, look at these twisty roads. You really start to appreciate the beauty that is Clarence Drive, and this surely has to be a hidden gem. Stay safe, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.